Listen, I feel like a politician in this hair. Where's my coconut tree?
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by RPGSHOW. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, but I don't have no drink today, but I do have a giveaway. Look at the material. It is still wig mist, so make sure you guys are checking the pinned comment down below to enter the giveaway. Now, before I get into this glueless, high quality textured wig install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from RPGSHOW. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their brand new 3D glueless max wig, aka the Maxipart 10x6 glueless Swiss lace closure wig. That's a mouthful for Elmo. I did show you guys the cap construction in the unboxing, but I'm going to show you again on a free cap. This wig comes with a wide 10x6 parting space. It also has removable combs, match ear shape, and an elastic band for a glueless natural look. Let me just show y'all on my head without the hair. So you get 10 inches of lace across the front. The normal cap size is 13x6, so that's ear to ear. This stops right in front of the ear, so it's still considered a closure wig and not a frontal. So first I'm going to tint my lace using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, any color creamy bronze. Even though the lace is somewhat tinted and the knots are bleached, you still need to tint your lace down for your skin tone. They can't make lace for everybody's skin tone, but they do make the Swiss lace that is blendable to everyone's skin tone. Not going to use my combs on the side, so I'm going to take those out. I'm not going to wash my wig, but I am going to spray it down with some hair perfume just for a little razzle dazzle. It doesn't really come with a chemical smell, but I do suggest you wash your wig. This is not a curly wig, it's a Yaki wig. They put the curls in there for me. And this is my third wig from RPGSHOW. I tried a water wave curl type of unit, and I also tried a like a Yaki straight that was colored. Out the box they are wearable. However, you will need to wash and condition this hair, because after a while it will start to feel a little, I don't want to say rough. It's not rough. It just has like a texture to it that you know will get stiff if you do not take care of it. This hair, in my opinion, acts like natural hair. So if you don't grease or moisturize your natural hair, it gets dry and like brittle. That's this hair. So make sure you are taking care of these wigs. They cost too much money, even with the coupon, to be letting it sit on your sink. Okay, don't do that. That's the main thing that I have learned with their wigs. They do need to be moisturized. I'm going to use some of my silk spray on here just to kind of, you know, liven her up a bit. I got a mix of smells going on. I could have just used that in the first place. That spray on synthetic or human hair will soften the hair. It'll help with flyaways and it'll help with tangles. I just realized this has an elastic band and a drawstring. Okay, I'm gonna take my band out just because I'm using my drawstring anyway, but in case you break your drawstring, guilty, you can use your elastic band to still wear this unit glueless. Bring it back some. I'm looking all around, thing in my face. Bring it down, fits really good. This unit does come in 2 different cap sizes, size 1 and size 2. Obviously size 2 is the biggest cap they have. Tightened it down, tuck the excess, make sure my hair is out. I wouldn't mind if this was a pre-cut unit. RPGSHOW. I mean, everybody's doing it, so you know, go ahead and hop on that trend. So cut there and there. Blending down pretty nice. Let me not cut off any of my hairline. This is the wrong razor. It's not cutting like I expect her to cut. Make sure it's down how I want it. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse to mold down these hairs in the front. Again, this mousse is a mold, not a hold. If you lift this wig up, it will come up. You want your wig to stay down, spray it down. And kind of fix these hairs around here. Get my brush. How big is my forehead? Okay, that's not bad. They did send me a band. Let's see, is it Velcro? I hope so. Was that a bar? Put that on. They did send me a detangler brush, but I'm not gonna open that because I don't really need that for this hair. I'm just gonna use my paddle brush. The curls are very unruly right now, so you will need to fix those. My hair does look darker than the hair on the website. I feel like the lighting they used on their pictures kind of lightens the hair or the image, so, you know, be mindful of that. Put a little bit more of this silk spray on here. And I'm just gonna curl the hair back. Use my flat iron to curl the hair. Ow. Curl it up. I want to kind of give the same look they had on the website, at least trying to. Curl it to the back. I'm gonna use my Tresemme Extra Hold hairspray to try to hold the curls in. Get this band off. Ooh, come on. Ooh. How's the hairline looking? And I'm actually I think I'm gonna leave it alone so I don't mess it up. This is glueless, glueless. I feel like my forehead is, you know what, leave it alone. Comb this hair out. The curls are not giving what I need them to give. This is what I get. This is what happens when you try to do too much. Just do what you know. Because I used that hairspray, it kind of dried the hair out a little bit. Let me use my silk spray again. Lay down these flyaways on top really quick. And if y'all didn't know, RPGSHOW is the big sister company to My First Wig. My First Wig is like their more affordable option. If you wonder why your wax stick has My First Wig on it, that's why. They're in the same warehouse right across the desk. Use my wax stick on top, lay that down. Here we go. Okay. Let me just bring this up like that. And I think we are done. Okay. So here is the final look. She came together. Okay, this is cute. My glasses are dirty though. They got remnants of something. I don't know what's going on, but I can still tell the wig looks good. It has just the right amount of plucking for it to look natural and realistic. My mother was a real, oh, that's the wrong season. Goodness gracious, I don't know why that popped in my head. You know I love the texture and the color is pretty. Now again, make sure you are using your products on these wigs. This is a higher quality unit that needs moisture. It has to have all the moisturizing products. I couldn't speak on this brand when I first tried her and I was kind of iffy about the second, but now that I've tried two different textures with similar, you know, I wouldn't say issues, but similar happenings, I can definitely say you need to moisturize this hair. Okay, so wash, condition, and moisturize RPGSHOW wigs. The one on the floor right now, put it back in the bag. Go put it in the bag, Cheryl. Now the price point for this bad boy, surprisingly, is not as expensive as I thought it was gonna be because that $100 coupon, it's still expensive, but it's not as bad as it could be. They also offer the pay in four. Listen, if you have already cleared the roster for the year and you wanna take care of yourself, get the card. And the conditioner, I gotta keep reiterating that. Listen, I feel like a politician in this hair. Where's my coconut tree? Shout out one more time to RPGSHOW for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.